Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I've been seeing all over social media, and I kind of wanted to make my own take on this. And this is Mexican inspired tuna. I'm going to show you how I make it. Again, this is probably not authentic. This is just kind of what I've seen, and I've kind of put my own spin on it. It's really good. So if you want to try it, if you love tuna, I think you're really going to love this recipe. I put it on a tostada, but you can put it on bread, in a wrap, whatever you'd like. It's so good, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's get started.